Most engines don't fail because they're poorly built. They fail because of how they're used every day. And that's exactly where Toyota hybrids change the equation. While most cars slowly wear themselves out through heat, pressure, idling, and constant stress, Toyota designed its hybrid system to avoid those conditions from the start, with fewer major issues than almost anything else on the road. So in this video, we're breaking down 5 major reasons why Toyota hybrid engines last so long and why most other systems still can't match that level of durability. Starting with reason number 1, the advantage begins at the core of the engine itself, how it's designed to operate over time. Toyota hybrids don't follow the typical approach of maximizing power. Instead, they focus on efficiency and durability, and that's where the Atkinson cycle comes in. Unlike a conventional gasoline engine that builds higher compression for performance, this setup keeps the intake valves open slightly longer, effectively lowering the pressure inside the cylinders. And that has a direct impact on longevity, because lower internal pressure means the engine components aren't constantly under heavy stress. The pistons, rings, and bearings all operate under less force and lower temperatures during combustion. Over time, that reduction in stress significantly slows down wear. Now, on its own, this type of engine would feel less powerful. But Toyota solves that by pairing it with an electric motor. So instead of pushing the engine harder to deliver performance, the system shares the workload. The electric motor handles the extra demand, allowing the engine to stay within a more stable and controlled operating range. The result is an engine that avoids excessive strain, avoids extreme heat, and operates in a much more relaxed environment throughout its life. And that's the foundation behind its longevity. It's not being pushed to its limits every time you drive. It's designed from the start to minimize stress and maximize lifespan. Moving into reason number 2. This is where Toyota hybrids gain a massive real-world advantage. The gasoline engine is simply not being used all the time. In a normal gasoline car, the engine is doing everything. It starts the car, keeps it idling in traffic, handles stop-and-go driving, and powers every acceleration and cruise situation. That means it's constantly running, constantly cycling, and constantly under some level of stress. And over time, that constant workload builds up wear. But in a Toyota hybrid, that pattern is completely broken. The electric motor takes over during low-speed driving, traffic situations, and even initial acceleration. These are actually the most inefficient and stressful moments for a traditional engine, and Toyota removes a large portion of that burden. So instead of the engine running all the time, it only comes in when it's actually needed, and under better conditions. It also avoids unnecessary idling. At traffic lights or in slow movement, the engine can shut off completely while the electric system keeps the car moving or keeps it ready to move instantly. That alone dramatically reduces total engine runtime over the life of the vehicle, and when the engine does start, it's not constantly being forced through harsh, repeated load changes like in a conventional setup. So what you end up with is fewer operating hours, fewer stress cycles, and far less continuous strain. Think of it like this. Instead of a worker running non-stop all day, it's a system that only works in short, controlled intervals with rest built in automatically. And that reduction in constant engine abuse is one of the biggest reasons Toyota hybrids last so long in the real world. Moving into reason number 3, this is one of the biggest engineering advantages behind Toyota hybrid longevity: the simplicity and durability of the transmission system. In most traditional vehicles, the automatic transmission is one of the most failure-prone components over time. It relies on multiple gear changes, clutch packs, a torque converter, and a hydraulic system constantly working under heat and pressure. Every shift, every load change, and every stop-and-go cycle adds wear. And over high mileage, that wear eventually shows up in repairs, slipping, or full transmission failure. But Toyota's hybrid system avoids most of that entirely. Instead of a traditional automatic gearbox, it uses an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission, or eCVT, built around a planetary gear system connected directly to electric motors. And the key difference is this: there are no traditional gear shifts, no clutches engaging and disengaging, no torque converter constantly slipping, no repeated gear changes under load. Just a mechanically simple system that blends power from the engine and electric motors smoothly and continuously. Because of that, there's far less internal friction and far fewer moving parts that can wear out over time. And less mechanical complexity means fewer failure points. It also means less heat buildup inside the transmission, which is one of the biggest causes of long-term degradation in conventional setups. So instead of a system constantly switching gears under stress, you have a stable, controlled power delivery system that stays consistent throughout its entire lifespan. And that's a major reason these hybrids are known to reach extremely high mileage without major drivetrain issues. Moving into reason number 4, this is where Toyota removes one of the biggest fears people have about hybrids, the idea that the battery wears out quickly. In reality, Toyota engineered the hybrid system specifically to protect the battery from the kind of usage that normally causes degradation. Unlike what many people assume, the hybrid battery in a Toyota is never used like a regular full-charge battery system. It doesn't constantly charge to 100%, and it doesn't drain all the way to zero either. Instead, it operates within a controlled middle range, usually staying between roughly 20% and 80% state of charge. And that detail is extremely important, because lithium-based batteries degrade fastest when they are repeatedly pushed to extreme states, either fully charged or fully discharged. Those conditions create heat stress and accelerate long-term wear inside the cells. Toyota avoids that entirely. The system continuously manages battery levels in the background, keeping it within that safe operating window at all times. The driver never has to think about it. It's fully automated. On top of that, the battery is supported by dedicated cooling systems that help regulate temperature during operation, preventing overheating, which is another major cause of degradation. So instead of the battery being constantly stressed, it's being carefully maintained within optimal conditions for long-term health. And that's why Toyota hybrid batteries often last far longer than people expect, because they're never pushed into the conditions that typically cause early failure. Moving into the final reason, this is one of the most important but least talked about factors behind Toyota hybrid longevity. The system actively reduces the most damaging parts of engine operation. In a traditional gasoline vehicle, the engine is constantly exposed to conditions that slowly build wear over time. It sits idling in traffic, runs continuously even when the car isn't moving, and goes through repeated cold starts every day. And here's the key detail most people miss. The highest amount of engine wear doesn't actually happen during steady driving. It happens during startup and idling. That's when oil hasn't fully circulated, components are still cold, and internal friction is at its highest. Toyota hybrids significantly reduce all of that. At low speeds or when the car is stationary, the engine can shut off completely. The electric motor takes over, meaning the gasoline engine simply isn't running when it doesn't need to. This alone removes a huge portion of unnecessary engine runtime over the vehicle's lifespan. And when the engine does need to start, it doesn't experience a harsh mechanical crank like in a traditional car. Instead, the electric motor smoothly spins it up to operating speed in a controlled and gentle way. So instead of repeated cold starts, constant idling, and unnecessary engine cycles, the system minimizes all of those conditions. What you're left with is fewer total engine starts, less time spent idling, and a much more controlled operating environment overall. And over hundreds of thousands of miles, that reduction in harsh operating conditions plays a huge role in why Toyota hybrid engines last so long.